Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly what was reported and why. Open Page Settings, then Page Quality or Support Inbox to view the report entry. Note the violation code and date so you know the claim. Once done, gather proof: screenshots, original posts, and admin logs that show context. Make sure to confirm you have full page admin rights and export any messages or comments tied to the incident, because these artifacts form the basis of your appeal and guide the next steps. Next, you file the appeal directly from the report entry. Click Appeal or Request Review, then attach your collected evidence and write a concise explanation that links facts to Facebook policy. Explain why the content complies or why the report is false. Once submitted, track the case ID and monitor Support Inbox for questions. If appeal isn't offered, escalate through Business Help Center. Open a support case with admin verification and include the same focused documentation to speed up manual review. To finish, watch for Facebook's decision and respond quickly to any follow-up requests. Most reviews take 48 to 72 hours, so stay available. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Gather additional context, request a manual review, and clearly restate policy points you referenced earlier. Once resolved, export the decision and archive evidence. If issues persist, use a different admin to resubmit updates or consult a policy specialist. This increases visibility and preserves your options for escalation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.